Welcome, this video will introduce you to connecting DataBridge to METTLER Toledo serial type indicators. Please begin by logging into DataBridge. The account being used must have configurator rights. Select the configuration menu. Select the scale configuration option. Select the scale that you are configuring, in this case it is scale 1. By default, the Ethernet connection type is selected. In this example, we will be configuring a terminal with a serial connection. Select the connection type drop-down. Select the serial option. Notice that the required information will appear. The required information can be found on the terminal and should be matched in DataBridge. An image of an indicator will be shown here as an example to demonstrate the steps described. Begin by selecting the menu button. Select the down arrow until you have reached option number 4, then press Enter. This will bring up the Setup menu. Press Enter to select option number 1, Scale. This will bring up the Scale menu. Select the down arrow to option number 2, Capacity and Increments, then press Enter. This will bring up the Capacity and Increments menu. The increment size can be found here and should be matched in DataBridge. Enter in the appropriate matching number for the increment size, in this case it is 20. Then select the back arrow twice to return to the Setup menu. Select the down arrow until you have reached option number 4, Communication, then press Enter. This will bring up the Communication menu. Select the down arrow until you have reached option number 3, Connection, then press Enter. This will bring up the Communication Connections menu. Make sure that the communication port on DataBridge matches what is found here, in this case it should read COM1. Then press Enter. The connections assignment for COM1 should read Continuous Output. Make sure that DataBridge matches this setting. Under Communication Protocol, MT Continuous should be selected. Once this is completed, select the left arrow twice to return to the communication screen. On this screen, scroll down to option number 4, Serial, then select Enter. This will bring up the Communication Serial menu. Select COM1 by pressing Enter. This screen contains the remainder of information needed to finish connecting DataBridge to the indicator. The baud rate can be found here and should be matched on DataBridge. Select the baud rate. Then select the appropriate matching number, in this case it is 9600. The stop bit should be set default to 1. The data bits should be changed to match what is shown on the indicator, in this case it is 7. Select 7. Lastly, the parity should be changed to match what is on the indicator. Select Even. Once you have gathered all of this information from the indicator and entered it into DataBridge, be sure that the scale is enabled by checking the box. When you are finished with this, select the Save button. Selecting the Save button will make Scale 1 visible but still inactive. For the scale to become activated, you must close out of the application and reopen DataBridge. Select the red X to close out of the application. Once you have closed out, double-click DataBridge to reopen the program. Use your username and password to log into DataBridge. When you log back in, the scale will now be connected and activated. Thank you for viewing the DataBridge scale configuration tutorial.